Welcome to Computer Education Unlocked channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to install VirtualBox on Linux Ubuntu. VirtualBox is open source software for virtualizing the x86 computing architecture. It acts as a hypervisor, creating a virtual machine where the user can run another operating system. The operating system where VirtualBox runs is called the host OS. The operating system running in the virtual machine is called the guest OS. VirtualBox supports Windows, Linux, or Mac OS as its host OS. Let's start the video without delay. VirtualBox download. I will open the first website. Click on Linux distributions. Select the release of Ubuntu you are using. I'm using Ubuntu 22.04, so downloading it. Click to download. Right-click on VirtualBox.deb file. Select Open with software install. Install. Type your authenticate password. It will take some time to install. VirtualBox installed successfully. After installation complete, you can open and use VirtualBox. You can install and use any operating system such as Windows, Linux, Android on the VirtualBox. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.